Second one is the Disassemble T.A.R.A. And this is the one that's confusing a lot of people. It has the same puzzle as a clue scroll puzzle, but there are 4 different fluids that are running through. There's a red that comes from the top left. There's a green from the top right. There's a blue from the bottom left, and a yellow from the bottom right. And if you press hint, this is the solution of the pipes they have to be. But if you watch, like the red, it follows the path. The green, it follows the path. The blue, however, comes down and then it jumps over here. So only these pipes can be blue. So you got to get these pipes over here for blue, and the yellow can only use these pipes. Alright, so now the blue line comes down the corner, goes down, and it jumps to the next one there. So we got to get this one over on the bottom left. Okay, so now the water comes out here, down, down, down. Now the next one is here. So now look for the next straight pipe that has blue, which is right here. And then you look for the top right one. There, so now your blue is completed. Goes out, in, down, down, to the right, goes up, to the right. We need a yellow comes up here. So it starts here. First, second. And then we'll look for the third right away. First, second, third. And then this one will be the fourth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So now the green follows the path, red. Boom, green. Boom, blue. And then finally yellow. Then you click it, and it's done. The machine works.